had a layer of crumbled candy cane,
Oh.
topped with a scoop of chocolate pudding,
Oh.
finished with whipped cream and more candy cane crumbles. Does that make your tummy grumble?
Oh.
Does that just make your tummy crumble?
This is cruel. This is a cruel way to make me lose weight.
Well, you gotta be cruel to get there. Did you think that Martin Luther King knew that when he said his "I have a dream" speech, that there was going to be somebody out there who did not like it, and there was the chance of him getting killed or hurt? And he still went out there and did it, and he did get killed. But he stood up to make a change, and that's what you're going to do. You're going to go through the pain to make you lose this big bowl of jelly.
I don't even know what to say about that.
Thank you.